with Aya. This story is written for intermediate English learners. All access for the PDF transcript in www.patreon.com. Lovely English stories. B1, B2 English story. My favorite place. It's a lovely day. The sky is blue. There's a little mist hovering over the trees. The birds are singing, and there's a light breeze in the air. I love days like this. Today, I will go to the sculpture park with my family. I haven't been in a long time. It's a beautiful place. There are lots of open fields filled with artwork. There are also galleries with lots of paintings and sculptures. It's peaceful and very quiet. People travel from miles around to visit the park. Sometimes they display work by famous artists, and sometimes they promote local and up and coming artists. Sometimes they display work by famous artists, and sometimes they promote local and up and coming artists, as we said before. In the middle of the park is a building with a shop and a cafe. The shop only sells things that are made locally. There are some beautiful things for the home and garden. I love to look, and sometimes I treat myself and buy something. I like to browse through the books and look at the jewelry. The staff in the shop are very friendly and always answer any questions I have. Today I'm excited to see one new stock they have, as I would like to buy some bits and bobs for my new house. I have a budget of 100 euros, so I will try to stick to that. I want my house to have an original art on the walls. I don't want any home to look like everyone else's. I am not rich, so it will take me some time to get a house. I want it, but that's okay. I recently bought my first home. It was scary but exciting. It's a small stone cottage on the outskirts of my city. From my bedroom window, I can see for miles and miles. I need a lot of work doing to do, but I hope to live there for a long time, so I don't mind investing a little bit. Luckily, it doesn't need a new roof or windows, so I'm working my way through each room and redecorating. I like to keep things minimalist, but with splashes of art and color to keep things interesting. I hope to have the house fully decorated within a year, slowly but surely. The sculpture park is only a 20-minute drive from my house. I will pick my family up on the way, even though we will have a snack at the cafe. I have packed a little picnic. I have a tea in a flask, some cold drinks, some small sandwiches, fruit, cheese, and crackers. Hopefully, I've packed enough. Once the mist has fully lifted, it should be warm enough for us to sit on one of the lovely rolling hills and admire the views. Each hill is littered with pieces of art. It's really inspiring. There are also lots of animals there, roaming freely among the sculptures. I love the sculpture park because I feel I like it helps my creative side come out. After a day walking around and reading about all of the different artists, I always like to come home, get out of my pens and pencils, and create some of my own artwork. I do not profess to be an artist, but I do enjoy it. It's relaxing. I wish I had more time to draw, but sometimes working life does get in the way. I'll pack my sketchbook and take it with me today. While we have our lunch, I could do some sketching. I can guarantee that today we will see some school trips. It's a wonderful place for young people to go and explore art and everything around it. It makes me happy to see them walking the acres of land and enjoying what it has to offer. At the bottom of the park is a lovely big lake. Around it, you'll see lots of beautiful weeping willow trees and plants sprouting out of the water. I love to walk around it and feed the dogs. I'm not sure if we are allowed, but I always take some food for them. There are always new pieces of art to admire as I walk around the lake. They blend in beautifully with the nature surrounding them. It's quite a sociable place as people will stop and chat about the art, park, and their dogs if they've brought them out for a stroll. It really is my favorite place. I especially like it in the autumn. In the spring, the sunsets over the valley are stunningly beautiful. I also love the smell of the leaves in the autumn and the fresh flowers in the spring. There's something very renewing and special about it. I'm going to wear layers today, so if it does get hot, I can just take off my coat and cardigan and I'll be just right. England being England, I also better take my waterproof coat and some sun cream. Just in case we have to be prepared for all weathers. I'm also going to take my camera. I don't want to miss snapping any special shots today. I've always loved photography, and the sculpture park is the perfect place to practice my skills. Right enough chatting, I must get ready. I've got a tea to brew and sandwich to make. Have a lovely day. Where is your favorite place? Tell us in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this Learn English with Aya. Thank you for stopping by and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And comment below what is your favorite place you want to go ever. And bye!